Hey, this is another interesting one here that you should very much listen to. This new belief of in this with this new belief of breaking no more. So the new belief is that your compass protects you more than conforming. My compass protects me more than conforming ever could. Because the thing is that if you're in a context in a group, you can conform to the group, okay? But the thing is that once you're outside of the context in the group, then it's like you can be conforming to, you might have, for instance, to conform to something else, to another context, right? And the thing is that it makes you feel vulnerable, first and foremost, because the way of here on the way of here, right? Uh, so you feel that you are always unfitted, okay, like this is something that makes you feel vulnerable. It's like it's not because you come from here that and that it feels safe here, then it's gonna feel safe when you're out of the group, right? And the thing is that the group disappears at some point, the context disappears at some point, but you are the only parameter that stays, no matter what. Yes, conforming feels safe, but it's an illusion that makes you vulnerable to the whims of the group. It makes you vulnerable to how the group is moving, you know. And if at some point the group is turning their back on yourself, what do? Right? You're just like, I cannot comply to anything. I cannot conform to anything that the group is doing right now because it's like, I'm just, they're all turning their back on me. So what do you have? Right? You're out of control of anything because their safety is built on the conformism with the group. So if they remove your possibilities to conform, then your sense of safety is gone. So this formula, true safety equal authenticity plus boundaries, is what is going to save you. True safety equal authenticity plus boundaries. It builds lasting safety um, in remaining true to yourself and your values. It's like you're aligned with your values and you have boundaries around your values, and it's uncheckable no matter what's happening in the group, right? And when you're out of the group, then it's you're still like trusting yourself and feeling safe with yourself, and it's all right. So much love.